Hi and welcome to Khaos Control Cloud. When logging into the system, you'll see this screen which shows details of all the latest updates and improvements we've added to the system. You can also add your own customized charts to keep track of your business performance. All the important features of the system can be accessed from the navigation bar. And using the blue button at the top makes it easy to create new sales orders, new stock items, new purchase orders, etc. The life history of a product starts with purchasing, and in the purchasing part of the system is where you can create purchase orders, manage what's on order, and also, when necessary, arrange for supplier returns and credits. Once a purchase order is delivered in, the items on it are added to your inventory, so the system immediately knows what you have available in stock. A filterable stock list screen allows you to see your inventory together with availability and on-order figures. Double-clicking on an item in this list will enable you to see the details of the individual stock record. Managing stock is made easier by using stock tools for things like stock adjustments and reordering. Once sales orders have been created or imported from your online channels, they can be viewed in the sales order list. Just like with stock, individual orders can be viewed by double-clicking on them in the list. Here we can see details of the items the customer has bought, and like most screens in Khaos Control Cloud, there's an Actions button that allows you to carry out many other tasks relevant to the screen you're looking at. In this case, we're going to go and have a look at the customer record. Each customer has their own record, which includes address details, sales order history, etc. Once your orders are in the system, they need processing, and this is done via the Sales Invoice Manager. Here the invoices can be picked, invoiced and shipped. The shipping of course can be made much easier by using our extensive list of courier integrations. The printing or emailing of invoices is done via the Actions button. With courier integration in place, the shipping process can be completed with a single click. Part shipment of partially fulfilled orders is supported from the awaiting stock stage in Sales Invoice Manager. Orders are processed through Sales Invoice Manager by moving them from stage to stage, or by omitting stages by dragging and dropping to non-adjacent stages. The main setup options for the system are found under System Setup. The most important of these to take a look at are going to be System Data, System Values and Data Import. The Data Import functionality uses a series of easy-to-use wizards to create templates for importing various different types of data into the system, for example your stock inventory. Other options in this part of the system can be used to manage your users, manage how your documents appear, set up email triggers, etc. The Channels screen in the system is used to set up and manage your online channel integrations such as eBay, Shopify, Amazon, WooCommerce, etc. Going into an individual channel setup screen by double-clicking will enable you to turn the channel integration on and off, and also to check the Feedback tab to see if there's any issues with the channels communicating with Khaos Control. If you need any further help in setting up or using Khaos Control Cloud, then click on the Help button and then follow the link to our searchable support portal. Thanks for watching.